So let's see how to create a Java program in Eclipse. So the first thing I'm going to do is launch Eclipse. And I've already created a sample workspace, so I will keep that one. And as you can see, there's no projects yet in the workspace, so I could just click this. That works for your first one, but for later projects, you'll have to create it like this. So you're going to want to go to File, and then New, Java Project. You can call that whatever you want. For now, you can uncheck Create Module.info file. We will cover those later. And this gives you a project that's in this Package Explorer tab. And then if I click on this arrow, that will expand my project. And you can see there's some system library stuff that you can ignore for now. And there's a source folder. So if you right click on the source folder, New Package, and you can call that whatever you want. I'll just call it my package. And this will give us a place to store our code inside the project. So you can have multiple packages in a project, and you can have also sub-packages of other packages. We'll see more examples of that later. So to create your program, you're going to want to create a Java class. And notice the package name is already filled in here because I right-clicked on the package. I'm just going to call this my program. And since this is a standalone program, I'm going to want to have it automatically generate a main method. The main method is the entry point, the starting point of my program. Somewhere in my program, I need to have this method. I'm only going to have one class, so this class that I'm creating is going to need to contain that method. And then I'll click Finish. And here's my program. I'll delete this comment, and I'll print, I made a Java program. So now I've written this class. I can run it by clicking on the Run button here. It'll prompt me to save. My recommendation is to always save resources before launching, and then click OK. And you can see down here in my console output window, it has the output of my program. If this is your first time using Eclipse, this can be pretty overwhelming because there's a lot of other buttons here and a lot of menus and so forth. But for now, just focus on creating the class the way we walked through just now, and you can add your code as you're learning to write Java code in your main method, run it here, and see the output on your console. As you learn more Java, you'll learn what some of these other features of Eclipse are, or whatever IDE you're using, and you'll also learn how to write more complicated programs that'll contain multiple classes and potentially multiple packages. But for now, that's a quick introduction to writing a Java program in Eclipse.